So let's go over how to create a patient reimbursement form or a super bill, what a lot of people call it, in a cash-based physical therapy practice. So this is my template of what I use, and you can get all of my templates, this fillable PDF and everything in the Business Essentials course, along with all the other documentation you need for that. But today, let's focus on the patient reimbursement form. So again, in the old days, when you used to submit a claim, it used to be on a 1590 form. Okay, so I pretty much just labeled this a modified 1590 form, just so when the insurance company gets it, they know that template. So I just labeled it as a modified 1590 form. Sometimes they're going to still request you to maybe fill out one online, but at least the patient has this, and the insurance company is going to be known of what this layout is. Again, it's monotonous, but this is what the insurance company wants, and we try to do our best to get our patients reimbursed. So I have this statement here, and then I have the patient's name here. So if you go down to the next section, it'll go over all the patient information that is on the old forms that I converted just to this. I don't know why they want half the stuff, but at least I fill out all of this for them on that. They can fill out their insurance info. This is all their information regarding the insurance info that they need. And then from there, we'll go down to the provider. So this is all of my companies, the address, the facility type, the code. You do want to include the code, and it's going to vary different versus a brick and mortar versus a mobile practice versus other places, but make sure that you have your information down, your tax ID or your EIN number, the business national provider number, the treating therapist, and the PT license. So this is everything that they want. Again, broke it down into 3 sections: patient info, insurance info, and the provider information. Okay, and then we go back to the services provided. So this is an updated version of the video in 2023 right now. Things change every year. Like this time, we're putting GP codes on everything just because I know a lot of insurance companies are adapting to Medicare. So we just added the GP codes versus the old video doesn't have GP codes on there. Just little things that we're getting feedback from patients of what the insurance company wants. We'll just change the template, update it so the patient has the best chance of getting reimbursed or just applied towards the deductible. So I have 3 spaces up on the top of the services provided for the ICD-10 codes. They're going to know the date of the service. You're going to have your CPT code. This is for more of a treatment package, so it's more of a complex case, and our charges. And then I keep it simple. If you follow any of my content, I follow the KISS principle: keep it simple, stupid. We do pretty much a combination of Therex or manual therapy. That's all that we pretty much do here. I want to keep this simple and efficient as possible and try to do what's best for the patient so they can get reimbursed. So I'll go in here and fill out all the dates on these. And again, this is a fillable template. Like if it's, okay, 4/26, 23, I have it built that these templates that you could just go through and press tab, and then you go down 4/27, 23, and it's already labeled. And it looks something like that. Again, this is based off of my fee schedule and how we charge patients. So your fee schedule may be different. We go through, we fill out the date, make sure that's formed, completed, and then we have the ICD-10 codes put in here. The total matches the total amount. And then we have a signature line here, and then we save it as a PDF, and it gets emailed to every patient at discharge whenever they want this. We don't do it each individual session. We just wait until the end and give them a master reimbursement form, one time, one shot, everything's done at one instant. So we're not constantly doing this and updating it and doing it over and over again. We will do it for bigger packages. We'll do it at a halfway point sometimes. Most of the time, we wait until the patient's done and discharged, and then we give them one super bill or a reimbursement form. But this is the template of what I follow. I pretty much designed this myself. It's a modified 1590 form. You have your patient info, your insurance info, your provider info, and then the services provided based off of your fee schedule. This is what I do. And then we save it as a PDF and send it to them. So if you have any questions about reimbursement forms and any other questions about this stuff, just put a comment in the comment box below. And thanks for listening, and hope you learned something. Thanks.